kid. And if you've watched our previous videos, you'll know that we got a drone. But I think we also need a land, well, I guess RC vehicle too. So we got one. And pretty big. I didn't lie when I said it was pretty big. Okay. So this Power Drive RC monster truck is made by Kid Galaxy. I'm not exactly sure who they are, but I'm sure that I'll look into them after this video. This is a 4x4, 2.4 GHz, which I'm pretty sure stands for gigahertz. 45 meter range, 45 meters to 150 feet range. So now that you know all this thing's features, I'm going to turn it around and show you what it actually looks like. Now, a lot of times with these RC vehicles, the box is way bigger than the actual trucks, the pieces and stuff, but with this, that's not the case. Yeah, with this thing, it takes up the entire box. Like, I don't even know what to say. When we saw this thing at the Costco near us, I just sat there in disbelief. It's so big, it's so huge. How can something this big exist? I don't know how fast it'll go. Knowing its size, I'm not gonna guess very fast. However, it can go upstairs apparently. So we're gonna have to go pretty fast to get up the stairs. So, yep, let's open it. Let's do some opening. Okay. Sides are open. I don't know how much tape is on this thing. I never opened this before. Oh, come on. Woo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Yes! Yes, we got it out. Power Drive RC monster truck. Oh, bendy, bendy, bendy. Bendy, bendy, bendy. The wheels are very squeezable. I think that they're out of air or something. This controller is, that is big. That is a massive controller. Trying this box on for sides. Bye, have a beautiful time. I feel like Oscar the Grouch. Boom! Ah! Alright, I'm back. What did you think? I was gonna leave forever? Nah. Not about that life. That might be stuck though. Ugh. Is the zip tie too strong? The zip tie is too strong. Can't break it. Oh, broke it. Right as I was saying. Right as I was saying. Got it. Still a little bit of zip tie thing that has yet to be done, but if I'm correct. Oh yeah! We can, dude! Oh! Yeah! Bruh! I got it! Yes, that feels great. This is a controller. Lots of fun, actually. Oh. Alright,
half of the proper burial in this box. Die box!
And so inside this box, you should find,
well, I guess we'll see. I'm pretty sure it's a battery charger. That's what it says. That's what I've been told. Yep, it's a battery charger. Ooh, and it comes with 2 batteries, I think that is. Okay.
this thing just goes straight into a monster truck, apparently. But first, I'm gonna see if it needs charging. Which, oh wow, there's actually a socket right here. Yes, specific cords, good. Okay. So these batteries are not charged. It even comes with its own batteries. That's fun. I'm gonna do a little experiment while I'm here.
Oh, big boy is a big boy.
So this thing, I wanna know. So I'm wondering, does the body come off? I don't know, cause like I'm thinking I want to paint the body, maybe, you know, paint it up a bit, really make it my own thing. But I don't know if the body comes off, right? So, like any logical person, let's try to tear this thing apart. Like any logical person, let's try to tear mechanics that I don't understand apart. Okay, from the looks of it, I can. Hey, what? Oh, bruh, you totally can. Oh, and it's so easy too, bruh. So easy. Yes! Yes! This is how Cars should have been. This is how they'll film a live action Cars movie. Look at me! Yay! Look at that! Alright, now you can really dive deep into just how this thing looks. Feel that. Ooh! Smooth suspension, man! Does each tire have its own suspension? Let's see. It needs to roll. No, each tire does not. Oh, but each side of tires does. See that? It can bend. I don't want to move this thing around too much, but these springs are very springy. Move up and down. Wow. 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 So this is Kid Galaxy's Power Drive RC Monster Truck. Now, stay tuned for a part 2 where we actually drive it. It should probably come out like, you know, I think it'll probably come out next week. I'm not exactly sure yet since, you know, we're filming this before we release it, but yeah, that's how you film all videos in case you don't know for some reason, but yeah, stay tuned for part 2. Subscribe and ring the notification bell and you'll be notified when we make the part 2 of this video. And just any video in general, because come on, why would you not want to be notified? We're awesome! Watch our channel. When I say our, I mean mine. I mean mine and this thing. This is part of the channel now. This is an icon. This is a straight up icon, but yeah, we'll be going out for a drive in part 2. Excuse me. The sun's going down, so the lighting isn't very good anymore, but on part 2, we'll be taking this thing out for a drive, and got plenty of room for it to drive around in. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, stay tuned for part 2. We upload every Sunday. I'm out.